सॉरी गाइस, मैंने फोन और सिस्टम दोनों से लॉगिन किया हुआ था, ये सोच के कि कभी कभी मैं सिस्टम से दूर भी जाता हूँ तो सुनता रहूंगा। ज्वाइन करते समय कुछ नहीं होता, बट मैंने फोन से डिस्कनेक्ट करा तो साइन आउट हो गया था। रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ होगी रही
ओके गौरव।
है, इंटरफेरेंस दोबारा चालू करते हैं।
Yeah, let's wait. Yeah. So shall I continue or I should wait? Because I don't know how many.
आई थिंक इनके अलावा एक दो ही और बंदे
हम
थे।
ही थे। नहीं, हम ही थे गौरव।
हम ही थे गौरव, आप
राजन पहले चला गया। ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Okay.
These are a few pictures. This is one. I will figure out.
So I think you all can see again.
That's three.
yes we can see. Yes
Yeah.
Gaurav.
Okay. Your requirement is you want to create a series of the constant number, which we call a scalar value. So you can just, instead of giving any list like you are giving in on the top, you can simply give your just one scalar value here, and then you can create a list like this. So that's how you can create a list. Now let's do some series operations. Okay. So let's say I want to display only what is the index and what is the. So you created your series variable here for here, and then you want to display only the index value and index and values. So that's how you can do s dot index and s dot values. So as and when s dot index is executed, it will print the array of a b c d e, which is index, and this will print the values, which is array of 10 20 30 40 50. Let's do a lot of things like what is the series data type. So it says that series data type is integer 64 because we have all the integers here. So whenever you create a series, let me tell you, that time also you can see the d type here 64. So you can either see the d type 64 here, or when you do s dot d type, it will print the d type here. Shape means how many rows and how many columns are there. So it doesn't consider index as one of the data point. It is just an index. So the values are the main thing. So if you check the values, it is 5 by 1. It is 5 by 1 shape. Means 5 rows and 1 column. So sometimes if it is not displaying anything, 5 comma nothing, it is considered as 5.1. S dot size is nothing but your what is the size of this thing. You can print the length of S also. So length of S is like number of rows. So 1 2 5 is the number of rows, and which is the same only. Like if you print the shape and length of S, these are the same thing only. It will print in dimension 5 by 1, but it will print just the number of rows there. So it will be printing 5. And you want to check how many bytes are used for this series, you can check s dot n bytes. We generally don't use it, or you want to check whether your series is too long, some millions of records are there, how much data it is taking, you can check how much byte it's consuming. Okay, now series, so when you, just a minute, when you do type of series, it is not a list.
I love this.
It is a different data type, which is called pandas
The
for
first,
series.dot.
the first and the last,
You can't do your list
the first and the
operations
last I
simply
did not
because
like. So
on
this
series,
and the
like
black
we were
down I did not
using,
like.
we
In
were
middle
doing
two,
some map
I think
reduce
this
and
is
all
more
that.
light
Sometimes you have to
and
create a
more.
list of all.
The baby's cute here,
So you have to change its
but
data type
the
by
quality is
just calling this
not that
function
great.
s.toList.
I like this one though.
So when you do s.toList,
Can you like two?
it will create a list, and when you do the type of s.toList, it will take its type is list. Now its type is not pandas core series. Its
Yeah.
type is list because I have created it to two list.
Thinking about it. We are.
Let's say I want to convert, yeah. So the point I am telling here is that if you want to create a list of only values, you have to just give the s, because it will by default work on values. But if you want to collect the list of indexes, then you have to give the s dot index.
Yes, no, cookie.
S dot index क्या करता है? Let me break it here. S dot index क्या करता है? S dot index इसको collect कर लेगा. It is index, but it's still the type is not. Its type is not list. It is again different type. But when I do the S dot index dot
I like the beagle.
to underscore list, means I am converting it to list data type. Now it is proper list that we have been using in basic Python programming. And now if you do the type of it,
Also this.
Love this. Bagel is best.
So you choose this?
it is printing list.
We're not getting a dog, but yes,
That's what I have done.
good for.
As dot index, I collected the list, but still its data type is not list, so I make it using two list. So sometimes, and avoid using two list. In Python, this is very high computationally expensive thing. So it's better you work on the underlying data structure only, but your logic says that no, I have to convert in list only, then only I'll be able to use it. Then you do it, but avoid making list of in Python and pandas. But it is just to show the functionality how it works. So I want to tell you one thing. So let's say I have one S list which is there. I created here on the top, and I want to create a copy of something. So I use the s dot copy and create a new list. So so here I'll let me display here. So S is this, and let me add one more cell. And S1 is this. Exactly identical, right? Because I created a copy of S1. Now I am changing the fourth element of S1 to 55 value. Okay.
The same food. That pet can. We're not eating chicken in the house. Oh, no.
So I don't have four. Okay, let me. I don't have fourth element. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. So let me make it.
We can buy that cooking can. That those little bananas. Why can't you buy a dog? Wow, Mama, what's happening? It's not.
Here I have to do.
Carry खाना दे दूँ क्या? Mama, please. मैं नानी को लेके रोटी तो बना दूँ ना मतलब.
Okay, I have changed here. And if I display S1, 55, it's changed 55. But now I will display
So
S.
index is also like starts from 0, right? Not from 1. When you
Yeah,
like
it's from 0 in Python.
No. And you need to earn it.
Now S. If I print S,
Achieve
see, I am able to change S1, but S is not changed.
But we don't give it.
But if you, instead of doing like this, copy, if you directly assign a new variable, let's say instead of S, okay, I'll assign the S2.
Doggy protein.
Okay, I created the new list, but right before I was using copy. Now I am directly assigning the new variable s2 instead of s1. I am assigning a new copy s1. So I'll print the s2. So this is the exactly same. S is also same. Let me print s also. Identical. Like in copy, equal assignment is also identical. But if I change some element in s2, okay, I have changed to 40 to 45. But if I display s1, not s1, s. Can you see the difference between actual assignment and assignment is using copy? In this, you no matter if you make any changes in any of the list, they will not impact each other. So here S1 is changed, but S is not changed. But here if you change the S2, you make it 45, but S is also changed. Are you getting my point?
Bharat, like if we make a copy of that, then it is not going to change. But we assign a value to a new variable, then it is going to change.
It is
Am I
going
right?
to change. Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Make sure when you want to create, let's say you have some series, but you want to do some computation in on a copy of the series, but don't want original to change, then use the copy.
Okay.
Uh, that is just to make sure. Otherwise, if you do the direct assignment and you make the changes in the new assigned value, assigned variable, and you will be surprised that my original data is also changed. So you have to be very careful if you do anything, any data wrangling, what to use.
Have you even done any?
Just memory usage. So let's do some numeric filter on index and values. Okay. Again, I create a series. I want to get all the values which is more than 20. So
Bharat, I have a small doubt. If we like don't give any index to the list, it will by default it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
yes. So we can do like that here. I
Okay.
can't change it because I have some logics done on index, so I can't do it.
Okay.
But
Okay.
if you want, I can show you here on the top. As underscore.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
So this is what we do. So wherever this condition is matching, not matching, it will say false. Otherwise, it will say true, right? So first two is not matching the condition, and 30, 40, 50 is matching, right? Now this is called mask. I can say mask. Okay, and I can print the mask like this. We call it a Boolean mask. Now, if you give the Boolean mask in the series and this bracket, you can print. So it will print wherever this condition is matched.
थोड़ी सी देखी मैंने प्यार किया तो मैंने थोड़ी सी देखी
It will not print the false condition.
सीरियल किलर बहुत ही
And we will use a lot of data filter like this. So the single point, it will never print, it will never display or any filter which is false. And it should be like in the series. This is called Boolean. So it should be like the one in series of Booleans, false and true or something like that. So you can do mask, or instead of mask, you can direct do replacement also, right? Same thing. Now, let's say I have some a little bit complicated. Go back here. Let me before this. Let me print entire series because I have to scroll up.
अरे वो उसको
Okay, so what I want to do, I want to print index which is more than a. So you know Python, what it does, you can do this logic conditioning on Python also. Like if you say if check if a is greater than c, it will print let me check, a greater than c. So it works on the string also. No, and if it is less than c, it will say true, right? So you can do this kind of Boolean mask here also. So I will print anything which is greater than a, means b, c, d, e, but value should be less than 40.
एक्सरसाइज करोगे
Another condition, index should be, I can put everything in one also. Like if it is index is between a and c, if index is between a and c and s is less than 20, but I'm breaking the condition in two conditions. So how you can do it? So if the condition is between a and c and s is between 40, then only print it. So between a and c is what? This much.
हाँ कर सकते हैं
So let me just print only condition c.
नहीं
So in condition your value is less than 40 and indexes is more than a, right? So a b c d e, this is 50 will not come because it's more than 40. So it will not come, so it will not. But if I print both condition,
वो तो मैं सोच रही थी जाऊंगी
it will remove this also. It will print only 20. So the point is that no matter what your condition is, that no matter what your logic condition is, that you can use the operators instead of single condition. You can do the and or not. You can make it or also. So it's up to you how you want to execute. Or instead of that, you can have a single condition also. If index is, let's say, if s dot index is between a and c.
क्या कह रहे हैं क्या
Using one liner also you can do. I'm just doing copy paste.
वाओ
It will do. So it is your one condition, or every condition you can put in parentheses also like this. So this is one condition separated by this condition, and then and in between it will print. Otherwise you can do C1 and C2 also. It's up to you how you want
मैं
to.
तो सोने वाली थी
So
बस नहीं
that's one thing.
अभी तो जाके अभी रोना धोना हो रहा है अरे डॉग लेना है सब
Yeah, exactly same thing. Okay. Yeah, I think I covered this topic, right? Yeah, here. Same thing in one liner also you can do.
पागल है वो मैंने
Uh,
तो अच्छा
uh,
सोचते हैं
which I have done, I think here. Sorry,
अभी
no
रिसर्च
need
तो
to
कर
repeat here.
बता मुझे what kind of
C1.
what does what do they eat
Same thing I'm doing it here. It's just a
are they
repetition.
family friendly or not kid friendly or not
Now let's talk something about regular expressions or something like that. So let's say your series is like that.
अभी कर रहे हैं
A0, BC, anything here. And these are the values here. And one value is null here, which is coming here null. Okay. Now I want to check if string value contains 23. So wherever I am, so this is the function dot str dot contain. So wherever this guy finds 23,
शरिया इतनी जल्दी नहीं
it will
उसके
print
बाद
here.
password.
So it will tell what its
एक
Boolean
one
mask.
page.
So here it's matching.
My dog research.
These two values are matching here.
What is this? Reacher.
So this condition is matched.
ये तो
And if this
research.
condition you can put
And
inside S series and then bracket exactly same condition, it will print these two things. So this is just to show the Boolean mask, how it will work.
आप
And
अपनी
you will
मम्मी
print
का
it.
डेकोरेशन है
But here my regular expression is false. Means it will not use it as a regular expression. It will just use wherever this is found, it will display. But
जाओ
yeah,
क्या
okay, fine.
करना
But where if I use regular expression, do you know regular expression and by
I
chance
also want to see what is the name
in
of the
Python?
document.
Because I did not cover it. We don't use so much also in data.
We know, but yeah, it's the same like for
Yeah,
every
it's same.
language.
Yeah, it's same only. So in the regular expression, let's say you have some character line, and if you want to check whether the line starts with 23 or not, so what will be that syntax for it? This cap character starting with 23. That means it will match if any line starts with 23, which is here for us. So, but if I say regular expression is equal to false, this regular expression will not work here.
Posters.
Because I am not checking whether the string contains.
क्या आते हैं डॉट
If you use
लेके
the string contains, then wherever this 23 will be found, it will display. Now it will work as a regular expression, but regular expression is false here, so it will not work. So it is not this functionality will not be implemented only. But as and when if I see regular expression is equal to regex is equal to 2, it will match here because this value is starting from 23. So when you have to use the regular expression, this flag has to be true. That's what I want to display here. Otherwise, this regular expression will not be executed. And it is matching here. And
Okay.
it will display here. So if you do this same thing inside the series, it will display as in square bracket and sorry, I have to run it. As
प्यारी का तो यही है पापा आँख खुलते ही बस और
yeah, it's working. Okay, 23 it's displaying. So right now I am just showing its Boolean Boolean indexing when this condition matches.
क्या हाल है पापा
And it will print the actual value also
कुर्सी तो ठीक से रख के
wherever it is matching. Now we can make it case sensitive also. So I will so if you go back to the data MOUSE mouse, so it will match if your case, if you make it case sensitive using this flag. So wherever you find capital M and O, then only it will match. So it is matching here only first line. So it is matching and it is displaying here. But if you make it, if you don't make, if you make the case, if you enable the case sensitive feature and don't give the exact case which I am giving MO here, it is not capital MO, it will not match. Are you getting my point? You have enabled the case sensitive feature, but you are not giving an exact case which is like capital M and O, so it will not match. To make it match, you have to give an exact matching, and if you don't specify, if you make it false, now it is matching. So you are not making it case sensitive. So MO, let me explain. MO it is same as MO. Sorry. Because you are making it case insensitive. That's why it's matching here. But if you make it case sensitive, then you have to give the exact case,
नहीं
which is
उसमें
capital
ये तो
M.
क्या ही अभी तो उठाए वो भी उसको खाना खाएगा और 5 बज गए ना सारे को दूध देना है चाय
Now you can do some typing also. I want to match anywhere where value is
और मेरे को
containing
सोने नहीं
OU
देता है सॉरी
or
नहीं आ
OG.
जाएगा 15 मिनट में आ जाएगा जैसे
So
मम्मा
you say in first line OU is matched, in second OG is matched,
हाँ सोने नहीं
and here third also OU is matched, right?
तो थक गई हूँ आज
Now is it clear?
सफाई करी आज
Okay.
नहीं सफाई करी झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन
Exactly. Now what filter we have been doing is only on the values, not on the index. So how will you do it on index? Instead of S only, you make it S dot index. Now the whole filter will work
यार
on
आपका तो नॉर्मल है ना
indexing.
आपका तो
So
मतलब
wherever index is containing 0, 0 not as a number but as a string, it is displaying. So A0, E150, it's displaying. So now I can do this filter on both values and index. So you can do like this. So now again I'm printing those values. Now you can do the filter on both index and values. So what I am doing, wherever index is containing A, I want to filter, and wherever value is containing OG, I want to filter. So value is containing OG and index is containing A. Here, BCA. So you can do it like this also. So sometimes you say, let's say you have the state something like Texas, or so, and you want to find out some name in that. So your Texas is one index, and values will be some other, and you can do filter like, okay, if I am finding TX value in there, then display it. I'm just giving one vague example. I mean, you can apply it in day-to-day data science if you have to work on very complex data which is having these kind of character. So you can do all that. So that's how you can filter your data using regex and str. Str is what we are using. Str is a class in series which has the function contains. So that's it. So let's do some basic math, and maybe then we can wrap up. It will not take much time. So again, this is your series, and you want to take it's your series, and you want to do log of each value, log of 10, log of 20, log of 30, 40, 50. So what you can do here, normal Python way. This is your normal Python way. You can give your list. This is your list S, and this is your lambda function, and you can map it. So I covered what is map. Map means it will take each value, and using lambda function, it will do the log of each element, and you can list it. Either you can give S or you can give S dot values. If you do give S dot values, means it's working on values. If you don't specify, then also it will work on values also. Just to display that you can do it in two ways. But don't use the Python way. Directly use apply function on series object. So you don't need to use the map. Map is Python, but series comes with its own function, which is apply function. And when you do the apply of function, it will apply on each value that function. So lambda x math dot. Are you finding it little bit difficult? How what difference I want to show? So far I am using only Python. but here I'm using Pandas series. So you can directly apply any function on Pandas series as dot apply, and this is your lambda function. Lambda function will take a value and return the log of that value. So here you are getting the answer in the list, but here you will get the answer in series format only. That's the difference. So when you want to apply these functions, don't do it Python way. Do it direct Pandas way. If any functionality not available in Pandas or Pandas, then do it in basic Python ways. But Pandas comes up with its own functionality that if you do s dot apply, it will apply the function to each element of this. And you will have the output also in Pandas series format. You are not changing your data type. Here your data type is changed. It is converted into list. Here it is in series format only. In series, you can do sum, mean, variance, standard deviation, everything. S.std. You don't need to write a lambda function for this. Just do your series object and call the sum function, call the mean function, call the variance function. So it will take sum of all these values, mean of all these values, variance of these values, standard deviation of all these values. Sorry, I have to create a series here. Okay. So I'm not writing any function to sum the value, find the mean of the value. I am not writing any lambda function. I am not writing any user-defined function. I am just calling the pandas function, and it will do everything for me. It's easy. 150, 30, 25, and this is the standard deviation. Finally, just use it. Don't do it Python way that I will do the map. I will write a function to calculate a mean. Then I'll pass this series or something like that, which I am doing here. Here I am doing for math.log. Just do it. It will come up with a lot of function, mathematical function that you have to check. And you don't need to import any math library or anything like this. Just use this function, sum, mean. Of course, let's say you have some complicated formula. Let's say you have something like x value, and you want to change it to something like e raised to power x, e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x. Let's say this is your transformation formula. You want to do this math computation on given number. It will not be there. It is your own math computation, which might not be there. So for that, you can write your lambda functions. But when you have to use the basic math function, you can simply use it like that. So here we are done with the map, we are done with the filter, and finally data type conversion. So let's say I have data type integer 64, but I want to make it float. So you use this function as.type and just pass what you want to change it to. So if I do this and assign a new variable to s, and I print it, instead of 10, it is printed 10.0, and it is float 64. If you want to change it str, now it is not integer. You can't do the math operation on this, right? Let's try doing the math operation on. Now this is not taking as integer or float. But I'll tell you there is very good functionality which is written here. I'm doing. Oh, sorry, I'm already doing it. So I don't need to type it here. So if I do s dot sum here. Sorry. It is printing sum. But now when I change it to str, it is not a digit. So you can't do math operation. But if you do s dot sum, it is concatenating all of them together. 10.0, 20.0, 40.0. Only for sum it is doing. If you do mean, it will fail because there is nothing like mean of some characters. You can do sum of character like, you know, I'm appending them one by one, something like that. There is nothing like variance of some characters. I mean, if you have s is equal to, sorry, some list is equal to my name, Bharat and Sharma. And if I do sum of this, when I say sum of this, maybe it will append it. But when I say please find out the mean of this list, what is mean of this useless thing? So it will not work. So that's why that the same thing the Pandas is implementing. So it is simply concatenating all of them, but it will. It is a. I don't think you will ever use this type of functionality. That you want to concat all the values of or I mean, I don't think you'll use in data science at least, but it is just to display it. And but here it is doing 150, and here it is, sorry, oops. Yeah, so here it is giving an integer value. Here sum is coming in float value. And if you change it to str, it will be concatenated. That's it. So these are the basics of what we cover. Let's wrap up. I don't think I should cover Pandas data frame. It's a huge topic. But let me go to my Python training tool. I will just wrap up. Map applies a function on each element of the list. Function can be lambda function or function can be user defined function. So the examples are like this. This is map. This is lambda function, and it applies on the list, means each element of the list. Here, it not list, anything which you can iterate over. Sorry, I'm using list. It can be tuple also, or it can be string also. So I can iterate over the string also. So let me give example how I can iterate over the string. For element in Jai Ho. Sorry. String. So I can iterate over each element of this. Okay, you can iterate over this also, and definitely we can do for list also. So anything which you can iterate over, you can apply function on each element, and without any loop and all that. Function can be lambda function or user defined function, and it will work. So here I am appending underscore in each element, right? So same thing, filter will filter. Again, the condition is same only, that it will take the list and it will take the function, and it will apply whether that condition is matched. It will filter out that data. If condition is matched, then only it will show that data. Otherwise, it will omit. So that is lambda function. Filter means name is filter only. It is filter for data on a given list. Without any loop, I am doing it. So for writing a very good Pythonic program, don't use the loops. Use these kind of filter map and this kind of thing. And reduce is something that I discussed. It takes the true value, compute some function. Output of that is taken as a one of the value, and it will compute the new function in iteration. That you can do. And Pandas, we knew how we created a series from different scalar values. We did series operations like what is the shape, size, how can I change it to list or something like that. How can I make the copy without making a copy, if directly assign, what will be the issue, what will be the difference. I can filter the data on the basis of integer and on the basis of character also. That filter data, we can use the regular expressions also. Then we did some mathematics and we did some data type change also. There is a lot of data type. I am displaying only integer, float, and str. There is something called time also, like time data. So you will have the timestamp here, and you can change the timestamp, data timestamp to. You can do all the calculations. So if you can find out if T1 is greater than T or not. So let's say 1 जनवरी 2020 16 दिसंबर 2005 से बड़ी है या नहीं बड़ी, तो सीधा you can, once you change it to time format, you can do this kind of boolean thing there also. I mean, you can maybe I'll give you this thing in the assignment, so you can see that how to change it to timestamp also. So there are a lot of data type you can do it, and a lot of way you can filter it, and that's it. That's the cover. Next time we'll be covering the pandas data frame. Here everything will be like the typical data science thing will start. So data wrangling. So that's about it from my side. So any question?
आपके उसमें हम buddies हैं सारे।
No, Bharat.
Bharat, it's just like we need to practice
नहीं
all
नंबर
these
कितना होता?
So I will be sending these to Jupyter Notebook. Then I don't have any assignment created, so maybe I'll take Monday for assignment creation, and then you can over the week you can submit your assignment, and I'll maybe we'll take one more session, and we not maybe I can do offline comment also on it.
मैं invite
Yes, Bharat.
करूँ?
Yeah.
We will do the
So
on this
put
also.
practice, keep it on. So the full we spend 15 minutes on each topic. That's good enough for you to take good hands on.
Sure, Bharat.
Okay.
Very
We
good.
can close this session.
So,
Thank you Bharat, for this session, Bharat.
Yeah. Thanks.
Bye bye.
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 हाँ, very good.